Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the website builder, kind of the ins and outs. So we just barely launched a brand new website builder, which I'm super excited about. And so I'm going to show you how to use that and really the functionality and all the different things you can do. Okay, so to jump in there, we're just going to go to create another website. And you can see we got all the templates here. And for this example, let's choose, and these all work the same way. So I'm just going to choose this general sales video right here. So you can preview it, but we're just going to choose it right there. This is going to kick you immediately into the website builder. And so now we can go through, scroll through, and see what the page looks like. And just to kind of give you an overview of how this is all laid out, this is like each page is segmented into sections. So you can see click to edit this section. It's like kind of highlighted around there. So if we clicked on that, it brings up the items that you can go customize. This is the next section right here, and you can go through, click on that, and so on. Okay, and so like if you wanted to go through, it's kind of nice. It's like a drag and drop functionality. If you want to drag this up there and you wanted to switch it up, you can drag and drop that. Okay, so that's kind of how it's built around. And then when you're editing the section, it's going to pop up the section area right here. If you want to do something specific to the page, like what type of contact information you're going to actually collect, is right there. And the website, that's kind of like the whole campaign in general. All right. So just to kind of go through this, we can go. Let's just click on this one right here. Just kind of give you an example. So right up here, you see like as you're going through it, like it basically shows you what you're going to be editing. Okay. So like as I highlight over this, it highlights around the video. As I highlight, around the this image right here, it highlights down there. So you can basically know exactly what you want to use. Okay, so if we look right here, right at the top, we've got this image right here. And if we want to replace the text with a logo, we can switch there. So we can have the text, so it's like your name at the top. Or if we want the logo, we choose that, and when we come in here to add a new image, what we're going to do is just click on choose new image. So it's very, very intuitive, right? And we've got a gallery of a lot of pre-built images, pre-built things that you guys can go through and use. If you want to search in here, like let's say $1, so like if you wanted to like go use $1 or a city or arrows. So like you can go through and select that, right? But let's say you want to upload your own image. So we're going to click on My Images. And the cool thing is you're going to have already stored any image that you have uploaded previously. Okay, now if I want to go upload another image from my desktop, I'm just going to click on right here, choose Image to Upload. And it's going to pull up all the images that I might previously have. So I don't really have an image for this. I'll just use this profile picture right here, even though I wouldn't normally use that. Okay, so it's basically saying, okay, does this look like the image? And we want to upload the image. So that uploads it into the database, and it's going to actually appear down here. This is uploading. An image will appear below when it's available. And now we've got the image. So now we can click on this. And the cool thing is we can like crop and change up the image if we wanted to. If we want to rotate it to the right, rotate it to the left, do all these different things. Flip vertical, flip horizontal, we can crop it. But once we are done, we want to hit apply changes, and then we can say, okay, I want to use this image. Okay, so like obviously that's kind of a weird spot to put that image, but you get the idea, right? So now moving down, this video spot right here, we can throw in our link from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia right there. So you just put in, copy and paste the full URL. It's just simple, really nice and easy. And let's say you don't want the video anymore. All you got to do is click this little button, Show. So now it will hide the video right there. Okay. And then moving down, so let's show that back up there. And so moving down, you can see like the same thing for this image right there. We can switch in and out. And the cool thing is we can actually make this button right there delayed. So if we want them to first initially focus on the video, they can focus on the video, and then we want it to appear 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 30 seconds afterwards. So that's kind of a nice little feature right there. Then same thing right here with call to action button. we can change it, we can add it, remove it, and then we can change up the text. It's not showing right now because it's got that little delay on, see, and then it pops up. Okay, so now moving down, and so I hope you guys kind of get the idea of how this whole thing works. I'm not going to go through every single one of these because each one is a little bit different. But if we click on this one, then right here, you can see there's 3 testimonials. So if we want to switch it up, we could say we want 4, or we want just 2 testimonials, and then we could change up this image and type in whatever we want for those testimonial spots. Okay, and so as we're going through this, one important thing to do is hit save from time to time, so you're saving the template. Okay, so after we've gone and hit save, if we want to preview what the page looks like, this is actually really cool. You can hit preview right there, and it's going to actually pop up and show you what it looks like on a desktop. So you can kind of get a little view of what it's going to look like there. On a tablet, like if you're pulling up on an iPad or another tablet device, and then also on your phone. Okay, so all these pages are mobile responsive, which means like it's going to show up and look nice on a mobile phone as well as on a desktop. But that's kind of how you go through and preview that, which is super cool. And then let's see what else I want to show you. Let's say we're going through this and we're like, okay, well, I want to add, it doesn't have everything I want. Okay, so what we're going to do is come down here, and let's say I want to have some video or something like that down here. What we can do is click add new section. So remember how I said it's all broken up into sections? So I can just click add new section right there. And then we've got this variety. So we can add a testimonial, videos, social, kind of like the different boxes. If you guys have seen those pages, how we've got set up. A different sign up one to go through and have the call to action, blog, contact. So we've got a number of these different sections that you can use, and we're always adding new sections, so we'd like to really create the variety, right? Because the variety is the spice of life. So we come over here, let's say we want this one right here, and so we're just going to click on that, and it is going to pop up, and down here, now we have this little template section. Okay, so now we just click on this, and we can go through, change up the header, subheader, have more or less links. This icon is really cool where we can come in and we could say, maybe we want Twitter. So we want the Twitter logo right there. And then this is actually really cool. So what we did was for the background color, when you're choosing colors, I want to show you how this color picker works. Okay, we can come in here and we've got all these fun colors and theme colors, and you can make it opaque, mostly transparent, all that stuff. But also you could choose social media colors, the exact color. So if I switch that to Twitter, I'm just going to click on that and click choose color, and see it switches up to the exact Twitter social media color. Right? That's pretty cool, right? So now we can go through, we can change up the video. Maybe we don't want the video there, we just want the social icons, and you kind of get the drift, right? And we can add another call to action button down here, and then maybe it's download now or whatever we want it to say. And as we hit save, we're making save it to our changes. And so yeah, that's kind of how this whole thing works, right? So get in there, play around with it, and you can go through, mess around with this different stuff. And let's say we don't want this anymore, we can just delete that section. Do you want to permanently delete this section? Yes, I want to delete that. And going through, so pretty cool. And yeah, go through, pick a website template, play around with it. And then one last thing, actually, I just remembered I wanted to show you. So this is kind of that initial page that you're going to be sending people to grab their contact information. And then on this thanks page, this thank you page, this is the page that they are going to hit after you go through and get their contact information. So once they put in their name, phone, and email, this is that next page. So we can come in here and maybe say, thank you, check your email for the download or for the video or for whatever you just gave them, right? So that's kind of how this is all set up. And then once we are done here, hit save, and then to make it go live, we're just going to hit publish. And now after we've hit publish, it goes live and we are ready to rock and roll. Okay? And then one last thing, I know I've said that a couple times now, but if we come up here and we just want to change the name, to our page. So see where it says website designer? If we want that on our website to say like, you know, your name or whatever it might be, that's going to show up there in that top. So that's what this name is. It's also going to show that on your dashboard. So if we come back to the main dashboard, you'll see that it says your name. If we click on this, it'll also say your name up here at the top. Okay, and it's got like the little profile picture and the whole website template, just like we just built it out. All right, so anyway, guys, go through, kind of mess around, play with it. That is exactly how the website builder works. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us at support@arsenalmkg.com, or go through the frequently asked questions if you're wanting to know how to set up a custom domain, add Facebook pixels, all those different things. That's kind of more advanced type of training. So I just wanted to kind of make this a basic overview of the new website builder and get you going. All right, anyway, guys, with that said, thanks so much, and I will see you in another video.